Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies first. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Leos, if you want more clarity or if you have some doubts or confusion, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have after this general energy. So stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards first. For your general energies, we have 10 of wands in reverse, 7 of cups and 5 of wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, Leos, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. So in your situation today, guys, Leos, you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders. Maybe in your career, you are someone in a very important position, someone making important decisions today, and your work demands you to work really hard, put in a lot of efforts. Maybe it may be physical kind of work for some of you, or for some of you, you are using all your talents, skills and you are working hard. So lot of burdens on your shoulders today, guys, and maybe there are some difficult situations you are facing today, guys. So certain things may not go up to expectation and there are people who do not like the way you work or who do not like the way you are. So they are trying to create more problems for you. Maybe they are envious or jealous of you and they are trying to create more problems for you. So it may be in your career or again it may be in your personal life, guys. But whatever they are trying to do, guys, maybe they are trying to create a negative situation for you. But whatever they are trying to do, your circumstance is changing to something positive. You are making it as an opportunity to succeed or opportunity to make things go for you, guys. Make things go in the right way for you. And you have a great imagination today. Maybe it may be regarding some projects or your future, your goals or aspirations. You are dreaming about your future career situation, how things are going to go for you, or you are dreaming about your person, this person you love. So some kind of dreams or fantasies you have in your mind about your love, about this person, and that is taking you, maybe that is inspiring you towards this person. Maybe you are moving towards this person. You are trying to move to the next step in your relationship. Maybe you want marriage, commitment. So you are moving towards that, guys, Leos, in your love situation, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have the Chariot. So Leos, maybe you are planning to travel somewhere with this person you love. Maybe you are planning a trip, you want to take a break, go for a holiday, maybe, guys. And whatever difficulties you would have faced in your relationship, Leos, you are overcoming all those obstacles and you have a clear focus on those dreams and goals you have for your life, and you are having that unwavering faith and confidence no matter what your situation is. And that is what is making this relationship work for you guys, work for the better for you today, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. So we have Wheel of Fortune in reverse for your career situation, guys. So with this card in your career situation, it just means that you are going to be more successful, more prosperous. Things are falling into place in your career. Just whatever you expected is going to come towards you guys, and positive changes are happening in your career situation, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. If you are interested, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card here. So let's see what is this card for you all, guys. The first card, the human gift. So this card comes with a special guidance, guys. Maybe in your situation, in your circumstance today. In the past, maybe certain circumstances, it was not clear and you did not know what to do, or what is the reason for that situation, or what is happening, or what happened in that particular situation. You do not have any knowledge. But today you are seeing things clearly. You have that insight, the truth behind that circumstance, guys, and what has happened. And it is simply shocking you. What you perceive today is simply revealing the truth, truly shocking for you. And you are feeling some kind of wonder, or you feel that you cannot believe yourself for thinking certain things, but what is right in front of you is something totally different, guys. And you are to trust your perception, the way you see your situation. And maybe what you perceive may be something dark, something not right, or something bad, but you should not judge that circumstance or judge that situation. So you need to see that circumstance or that person as it is, truthfully, with that compassion in your heart, and you will be shown the very graceful way to come out of that difficult situation. Free yourself from that darkness, from within and without, and from your situation, from your circumstance, guys. So you need to be really compassionate and graceful when you perceive the truth today, maybe of some circumstance or some person. So if you have that compassion is going to help you out of this difficult situation, guys, in your life. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the other card. I will keep this card here. So the second card, let's see what is this card. So it is Puss in Boots. That is the card for y'all. So this card just means that you need to be really intelligent, charming, and using your wits and talents to make things go for you guys. And you need to be really clever, and you need to be what to say, diplomatic in situations, certain situations, what needs your diplomacy. And in certain situations you should use your charming skills, your talents of persuasion to proceed in the right way. So whatever opportunities you are seeing today, maybe in love, whatever you need, you should try to use each and every opportunity, guys. And for some of you, there is a friend who is clever, who is really talented, and who is really guiding you with their intelligence. So if you have someone like that, you need to use that person's advice, guys. So that may help you a lot today. And I also see that you should not waste any opportunity. So you should go forward, grab those opportunities, whatever you are having, and try to work things out. It may be in your career or it may be in this relationship. And you, whenever whatever behavior is the appropriate ones, maybe sometimes you need to be diplomatic, and sometimes you need to be strong, hold your hold on to your views, and be maybe try to persuade the other person to follow certain things. So when your situation calls for that behavior, you should go for that. So handle any situation with that skill and talent, so that way you will be really successful, guys, in your relationship and in your life. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.